Good morning, students. I am Govind Ramgirwar. Today we are going to discuss the topic picture observation, or you can say that picture description. Let's learn the topic picture description. Before this, I am going to show you one picture. You are expected to observe the picture for at least a minute or 2 minutes. Be careful about observation. I have put here two words in front of you. Two words are, one word is look, another word is observe. Friends, do you know the difference between these two words? It's very simple. Look is just to look at the particular thing, and observe is to look the particular thing carefully. That's it. Look म्हणजे पाहणे आणि ऑब्झर्व म्हणजे काळजीपूर्वक पाहणे किंवा निरीक्षण करणे या अर्थाने आपल्यास म्हणता येईल. तर आपल्यासमोर एक चित्र येणार आहे आणि आपल्याला ते साधारणतः 1 ते 2 मिनिट ऑब्झर्वेशन पहिले पाहायचं आहे आणि नंतर त्याचं ऑब्झर्वेशन करायचं आहे. देन यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू फ्रेम ॲज मेनी वर्ड्स ॲज यू कॅन. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला करायचं आहे फ्रेम ॲज मेनी सेंटेन्सेस ॲज यू कॅन. आय रिपीट, सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला करायचं आहे जस्ट लुक ॲट द पिक्चर, ऑब्झर्व द पिक्चर. You can close the picture and then take a notebook. Write down as many words as you can. Then, with the help of words, you are expected to frame simple sentences. Hope you understand what I mean. So, let's go ahead. You can see the picture on the screen. Take your time to observe the picture. I am not just holding the picture here for a long. Just you can pause the video and keep it for at least 1 or 2 minutes. Observe it carefully. You can do 2 experiments. You can close the picture, note down the words with remembering, or you can just keep a picture in front of you and note down the words that you find. After that, frame as many sentences as you can using the following structure. Now I am going to help you how to frame structures. I am not going to tell you what is subject, what is verb, what is object. This video is just for the beginners. I want to develop here your observation skill and just frame whatever is in your mind in the form of sentences. I consider that you have observed the picture. Now let's frame the sentences one by one. Hope you have the list of words with you. Just see the words and take one word at a time and you can frame simple sentences. This is whatever the word you find it's good for you, just put here. For example, this is a balloon seller. Do you understand? Next, there is or are. If you have the word like balloon or balloons, you can say that there is a balloon or there are balloons, or you can say that there is a man. You can increase the sentences by adding more words to the particular sentence. Now next is you can see. What do you see in this picture? You have to write there. You can see balloons, you can see a picture, you can see a man, whatever you think, what is in your mind, just look at the picture, try to imagine and just put in the blanks. Now the next sentence is the color of. You can describe anything whatever you see in the picture. The color of the balloon is. The color of balloons are. So like this you can mention red, anything. Now next is he wants to. Whatever the thing clicks on your mind first, just put there. He wants to means the balloon seller wants to sell balloons. Then you can take the another, that is the size of. The size of balloons. You can compare smaller, bigger, like this. Red is a small balloon, or red balloon is smaller than other balloon. So certain things you can compare with this structure. Now next is you can write here the age of the. You can mention here the age of the old man. Whatever is approximate age. There is no age given. Next is he is dash dash years old or young. You can mention here also young man because he has the spirit of selling balloons. Now you can write another sentence like he is playing, selling, standing. You can take one verb at a time and frame sentence. He is playing, whatever it is. He is selling, you have to write one word. He is standing near the wall. Next sentence is he has. You can mention that he has a flute, etc. And last one is he attracts the children. So certain sentences you can frame with the help of certain picture observation. So these are just the guidelines. You have to just follow certain guidelines. Apart from this, if you think that I can make different sentences using different structures, you are free to make different sentences. Just try your level best and you can do the best. Now I have already told you what to do. I have mentioned that when you are looking at the picture, you have to look as well as inspect or observe the picture. After that, after writing certain words, after writing certain sentences, we are expected to frame some questions. You can frame some questions like, with the help of WH words. For example, what do you see in this picture? Second, who is this person? Third, how many balloons does he have? Next, what is the age of that person? And go on. What will happen if you ask certain questions to yourself? These questions will help you to think and automatically your observation power increases and it helps you to make many sentences using the different structures. I have put here very few questions because I believe in do a little, do it well. थोडंच करा पण चांगल्या पद्धतीने करा. या पद्धतीने आपण we have seen here picture observation, and we with the help of picture observation we have tried here to develop our vocabulary, to develop our simple structures in the form of sentences and simple questions. Now, next topic is things to do every day. Now, we have learned this, but what to do every day is very much important. So, things to do every day, list of do's. First thing is observe the picture for a minute. Now you can take different picture and observe it for at least a minute or 2 minutes. Next is close the picture. You can take any object, whatever you see in our surroundings. You can close your eyes or close the picture. Third, take a notebook. What you have to do? You have to take a notebook, and after that you are expected to make a list of words that you remember. If you have closed the picture or if you have closed the eyes, you have to remember the things and you have to note down. What do you see in this picture? You can ask certain question to yourself. Next is frame simple sentences using the above structures. I have given you the guideline above. You have to follow the certain sentences, structures, and frame simple sentences of one word, 2 words, and go on. So in this way, you will be able to expand the sentence or sentences. Take a new picture every day and do lot of practice. Friends, I hope you will find this video very easy to frame sentences, to develop your observation, to develop your sentences, to make sentences, simple sentences. Thank you.